Hey, it's me, Anita, coming to you with a collab, 10 on a 10th. And this collab, we're supposed to make 10 cards, Christmas cards, by the 10th of December, or by the 10th of every month, so we could be ready for Christmas. So I'm going to show you some of the supplies I used. I'm sure I'm leaving a lot out, but I'm not trying to. All right. Some of the paper pad. Graphic 45. Okay, nothing's in any order. I just packed it. That's Anna Griffin. Anna Griffin. I used a lot of Anna Griffin. Trying to start using my supplies more often. So this is just some of Anna Griffin's paper, her Christmas paper. Her doors, both doors. And would you believe it, you guys, I just realized just now I didn't do the insides of my cards, so I won't be showing you the insides of them. At least the majority of them, I'm thinking I didn't do the insides. Maybe I have, but we'll see. Oops. Okay, I use the house. Divinity Designs. And last but not least, I used this one. The Christmas card making box. And let me show you the cards I made. I'm out of room. I'm gonna see. No, I did not do the inside, so I will have to finish those. A little bit upset. I thought I had the insides done. Look at that, nothing on the inside. I have to go back and do my stuff. Nothing. All right, I will not be showing them to you when I'm finished because there goes the inside of that. And I have one more die, if I can get it to show you. I'm sorry about that. I know it's a long video. Yeah. There we go. And this is the little girl. Okay. This is her Anna Griffin. This is her SLIMLINE door. And then I made some houses with her house. That's her house. That's it sitting up. Okay. Goes another one. So then that's how it'll look sitting up. There goes another one. I did 4 of them. There's how it looks. And my last one for this And once again, that's how it looks. I thank you guys all for stopping by my channel. For those who have subscribed, thank you very much. For those who haven't, I'd appreciate it if you do. And you guys have a blessed day. Oh, one more thing. Below there's a list of participants. Please check them out. They've done some beautiful work. They've taken their time, and you would be amazed by what you'll see. All right, you guys have a blessed day.